Good day. This is for innovation categories are the following. This is recognition activity, routine innovation, disruptive innovation, radical innovation, and architectural innovation. The routine innovation, while it may appear to be an oxymoron, this type of innovation is highly ineffective. In fact, the vast majority of profits are created through routine innovation, and it is practically some of the most successful and simply innovative companies in the world. Apple, Microsoft, and Intel, to name a few. Routine innovation builds a company's existing technology competence and fits with the exciting business model and hence its customer base. In other words, is when companies play to the game's trends. Disruptive innovation. Harvard Business School professor Clayton Kearns introduced the term in this 1997. But the innovation dilemma. He defined his a process by which a product or service take a recognitional and simple application at the bottom of a market and then relentlessly moves up market, eventually displaying establishing competitors. Radical innovation, too often confused with disruptive innovation, radical innovation is the complete opposite. It that the challenge is purely technology. An example is the emergence of biopharmaceutical drugs in the 1970s. There were radical innovations because they used a completely different technology, biotechnology, as opposed to a chemical synthesis, and address medical problems that we are unable to be treated with existing routes. Architectural innovation. This step innovation is a combination of disruptive and radical innovation. When when the digital photography emerged, the likes of Kodak and Polaroid were forced to master completed new components in solid-state electronics, camera design, software, and display technology, as well as find ways to the profile from cameras and opposite to just disposable, such as film and paper. It is a step in innovation that is the most difficult for incumbents to propose. Thank you.